What up? In this video, I want to go over how you set anchor points and how to set up an animation. So the first thing you want to do is click on the Set Anchor Points button, then come in here and select your model, and then figure out where you need to put it. In this case, I know it needs to go down a little, so I click on Resize Canvas, go down 1 point, or 1 pixel, go make sure I'm on the correct spot, right there. Click on the next model, put the anchor point, next model, figure out where it goes, and there it is. Go ahead and click finish when you're done. There we go. The anchor points determine exactly where the model should be positioned. So like if I put the anchor point off to the side of the model, then the model will be shifted over here because the anchor point is centered. Now that I have that done, I can hit play. That does not look right. So I'll scroll down here, go to the playback section, turn down the FPS a little, try it again. Still does not look right. So let's change the motion from loop to ping pong. Give it another shot. Hey, look at that. That looks pretty good. And just like that, we got an animated model. You can choose from the selected first. You can choose from list order, so it plays in the order from here. Or you can choose reverse order. Yep, just like that. I'll go over exporting the models in another video when I go over the export settings. But for now, that's about it. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.